Hello everyone, thank you for watching. My name is Peter Wolff and welcome to today's instalment of the Wolff College of Coffee's weekly vlog. And today I want to talk to you about Type B gas certification. This is going to be more sort of relevant for our Australian and I guess some of our friends across the ditch in New Zealand, where this sort of has similar sort of understandings. But I guess firstly to talk about what does Type B gas certification mean versus Type A. Type A gas certification very simply is an appliance that uses 5 megajoules or less, so something like a hot water system, a gas stove, a gas heater, so anything that's kind of more of a domestic appliance, and this already will come pre-certified with the gas mark already applied to it, and this is what we call a Type A certificate. Type B certification is something where it's 5 megajoules or greater. So we are talking obviously about some of our coffee roasters, and most of our coffee roasting equipment is on average about 175 megajoules an hour. Because it is a Type B or has this sort of energy rating per hour, it then must be certified at installation by a certified Type B gas installer. So once you've reached the decision of the purchase of the brand of roaster that you wish to buy, one of the things that you will need to do engage fairly quickly is a Type B gas fitter, and that person will be responsible for not only the installation but also the certification to say that this particular roaster meets the requirements of the Australian Gas Authority. Australia is somewhat of a little bit of a complex market, given that we have obviously a national standard, but there are slight interpretations to that gas standard that do vary from state to state. So what may be seen as a requirement in Queensland may not be required in New South Wales. So this does make the certification fairly unique, and making sure that you use a local Type B gas fitter is fairly crucial. One of the challenges also why we have a Type B gas certification is that the federal government acknowledges that no one global manufacturer can specifically make a single product or a product that meets the needs for the Australian market. Nor can the Australian government control the on-selling or reselling of second-hand equipment, or also looking at importing a second-hand piece of equipment from overseas. So how do they control this sort of point of import? So the easiest way of controlling it is at the point of certification, and that's about engaging a Type B gas appliance fitter. So if you are looking at buying a coffee roaster from anyone, either individually or any of the local agents that are available here in Australia or New Zealand, then obviously one of the things I would be asking for them is to provide you with a list of recommended Type B installers that you could be contacting that can help you through the certification process. On most state government websites you will find that there is a downloadable link or a PDF that goes through what exactly is your responsibilities as the owner of the roaster, and what you're required to do in terms of having it certified. And so I think this is something that's very important that you do read and you do get to sort of understand that. So that's basically the two differences between Type A and Type B, and what you will need to be doing irrespective of which brand of roaster that you've ended up buying in Australia. If it's using any more than 5 megajoules or more of gas per hour, you will be required to use that as a Type B certification. So I hope that's helped clarify your questions. If you have any more questions, obviously feel free to leave some more. I do believe you've got a question and answer session coming up shortly. Some more interesting questions that I'd love to answer. Thank you for watching.